For bloggers, a crash course in good SEO is essential. If you're a blogger and you want to get as many people as possible to read your content, then the chances are that you will have done at least some research on SEO. In doing this, you will likely have discovered that there are huge amounts of information out there on this subject, and a lot of it is contradictory. Knowing where to start can be a massive headache, and sometimes it can feel as though you stand no chance of ever getting a complete knowledge. But here's the thing. A lot of that information is misguided, and it is one of the biggest issues that holds a lot of bloggers back. What's more important than consuming all that information is to focus on just the good information, just the accurate information that is relevant to creating a great blog. And when we do that, we realize that actually, it is a lot easier than you probably think. The mistaken or misguided SEO is all about trying to sidestep the algorithms. It's all about trying to trick Google into thinking your site is a top authority, by building specific links and by posting keywords. It's highly technical because it is based on algorithms and systems thinking. It may even work for a while, but eventually it simply breaks down, leaving you back where you started. And sometimes a little worse off. So how about instead focusing on the same thing that Google is focused on? The user. Stop writing for the search engines and write for the readers. Google wants to provide useful and entertaining information for its users. And if you get this right, then eventually Google is going to reward you with future updates. The most important trick: write well then, and write long, high-quality blog posts. If you do this, then you will get people to your site naturally, and they will link to your site because they want to share the excellent content they are seeing. And that's a great start. But at the same time, you also do need to build those links. And the thing we do need to take from SEO strategies is that the best links are the ones that come from the most highly regarded websites. Getting links from those sites will boost the credibility of your site by a huge margin. But what if you can't? Then you need to get links from sites that have links from those sites. In other words, you need to think of this like a game of degrees of separation. This is at the heart of the crash course in good SEO for bloggers. Would you like to learn more about creating a successful blog, getting SEO right, and creating a passive income from your blog? Click the link below. And don't forget to share and subscribe to stay updated.